Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss the proof of De Morgan's Theorem 1. De Morgan's theorem is used in Boolean Algebra and it is very important to reduce Boolean expressions. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see the proof of De Morgan's Theorem 1. Friends, before digging into the solution, let us see what is De Morgan's Theorem 1. It is A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. It is very useful theorem, as all of you knows. To prove this expression, I will take the help of its truth table. So firstly, I will draw the truth table of A dot B bar. So this is the truth table, A, B, A dot B bar. I wrote all the possible combinations of A and B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here I wrote the decimal values 0, 1, 2, 3. And here is the corresponding value for A dot B bar 1, 1, 1 and 0. Now to prove this expression, I will take the help of K-map. I will draw the K-map for A dot B bar. So for the value 0, we have a 1. For the value 1, we have value 1. For 2, we have value 1. And for 3, we will write 0 in the K-map. To reduce this expression, as you know, we need to encircle number of ones. So this is first circle and this is second one. So number of circles mean number of terms in the final expression. From this circle, we can conclude that it is A bar, and from this circle, we can conclude that it is B bar. Hence, this De Morgan's Theorem 1 is proved. Friends, now I have a question for you. And the question is, what is the De Morgan's Theorem 2? And if you know its proof, please write down in the comment section. Otherwise, I will give its proof and what is the De Morgan Theorem 2 in the subsequent video. And with this, I am going to end this video session. I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.